before you even start singing, dun, 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 bam. Okay, so bevel. I don't care which side you bevel. Am I recording? Yeah. Okay. You're gonna throw your arms up. And it doesn't have to be perfect. It could be a straight V, or it can be just like fun arms. Okay. I suggest this one because she's more casual in this part, like she's just having fun. Bam! The name on everybody's lips, hands on your heart, crossed over like this, is gonna be bam, Roxie. Then you can turn like a half turn over your left shoulder, so cross over with your right, and then walk to your right. Bam, the lady raking in the chips. Okay? So what I did from here, my fingers are spread. I crossed over with my right foot, turned over this way, and I'm doing like a gimme hand. With this hand, you can do this. Put your fingers spread, facing towards the audience. So right now I have my back towards the audience. The lady raking in the chips is gonna be. Then turn back around over your right shoulder. So you're gonna cross over with your left. I'll come back this way a little bit. So take your left foot, cross over, and do a pose here. You can do something like this. Bam, Roxie. It really doesn't matter. It could be bam or bam. Okay? Or you can do like a Marilyn Monroe type pose. Bam, Roxie. After you do your second hit or your pose for Roxie or Roxie or Roxie, whatever it's gonna be, you're gonna sing, I'm gonna be a celebrity. So do a figure, hourglass figure. That means, step back with your right, somebody, everyone. You're stepping back with your right again, okay? So it's, I'm gonna be a celebrity. That means right, left, right, turn around yourself, and you're gonna pose, okay? The pose is like this. So you can see like my fingers. This is not perfect. So after you did that hit, I'm gonna be a celebrity. That means right, left, right, pose. That means somebody everyone knows. Bam. Oh, sorry. From bam, they're gonna recognize my eyes, my hair, my teeth, my lips, my nose. From here, ba-na-na-na-na-na. That's it. All you have to do is switch your bevel, okay? So that means somebody everyone knows. Bam. And I have my left foot popped out in the bevel. They're gonna recognize my eyes. My fingers are spread again. My hair, my teeth, my lips, my nose. And then slowly switch your bevel. It's really sexy, just one slow motion kind of move. And then the music picks up again. So you just did my hand, my teeth, my lips, my nose. Da, 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 da. Then you're going to move to your right. You're going to do Bob Fosse hands. They go out, in, out, in. So it's all in the wrist. And your fingers are really detailed, so it's like a ripple. And while you're doing that, let's just pretend I'm going to the right. I'm actually going to the left. You're going to move your hips left. I'm sorry, right, left, right, left. Okay? So, you just did the switch, and then you're going to go from just some dumb mechanic's wife, I'm gonna be Roxie, who says that murder's not an art. Okay? So, take your time, do tiny, tiny, tiny steps with that move, and you start before you actually sing. So it's boom, from just some dumb mechanic's wife, I'm gonna be Roxie. And really point your toe and keep your chest open. With your right hand, you're gonna make that line. And let's do, you can do anything with your hand. Not this though, that's very Michael Jackson. So, who says that murder's not an art? Really take your time with that. You're gonna bring your arm down. And who, in case she doesn't hang, can say she started with the bang. That's a chaîné turn. Then you're gonna land here in the bevel, and you're gonna put your left hand on your hip, right hand into the gun, and chin up. So, one more time. Who says that murder's not an art? Arm down. Who, in case she doesn't hang, I forgot to do that. Throw your arms up. Can say she started with the bang, bam. Roxie heart. You can kind of hold that and then you can giggle and go into the next part.